Ever feel like your money just vanishes? You get paid, you budget, maybe, and then poof, it's gone. You're left wondering, where did it all go? You're not alone. Managing money can be a real struggle, and that's where budgeting apps come in. They promise to help you take control of your finances, but there's always a catch, isn't there? The price. Today, we're diving deep into one popular budgeting app, PocketGuard, and answering the burning question, how much does PocketGuard cost per month? PocketGuard has positioned itself as a user-friendly budgeting app, offering a range of features aimed at simplifying personal finance. From tracking expenses and setting budgets to visualizing your spending habits and even negotiating better deals on your bills, it sounds like a financial superhero, right? But even superheroes have a price tag. Before we get into the specifics of PocketGuard's pricing, let's talk a little bit about why knowing the cost is so important. Choosing a budgeting app isn't just about finding one with fancy features. It's about finding one that fits your budget itself. It's ironic, isn't it? You're trying to save money, but you might have to spend money to do it. That's why understanding the pricing structure of any budgeting app, including PocketGuard, is absolutely essential. You need to know what you're paying for and whether it aligns with the value you're getting. So, let's get down to brass tacks. How much is PocketGuard per month? PocketGuard operates on a freemium model. This means they offer a basic version of their app for free, but they also have premium tiers that unlock more advanced features. That free version is a great way to dip your toes in and see if PocketGuard's interface and basic functionalities work for you. You can track your spending, see your income, and get a general overview of your finances. It's a good starting point. But, as with most freemium models, the free version has limitations. You'll likely encounter restrictions on the number of accounts you can link, the types of reports you can generate, and access to certain premium features. This is where the paid tiers come in. PocketGuard offers a few different subscription options, and the pricing can vary slightly depending on whether you choose to pay monthly or annually. Paying annually usually gets you a discount, which is something to consider if you plan on using the app long term. Now, I'm not going to give you specific dollar amounts here. Pricing for apps like PocketGuard can change. They might offer promotions, adjust their plans, or introduce new tiers. The best way to get the most up-to-date pricing information is to head straight to the source. Visit the PocketGuard website or download the app and check out their pricing page. They usually have a clear breakdown of the different plans and what each one includes. While you're on their website, don't just focus on the price. Look at the features offered in each tier. Consider what's important to you in a budgeting app. Do you need advanced reporting? Are you looking for debt tracking tools? Do you want help negotiating lower bills? These factors will help you determine which plan, if any, is the right fit for your financial situation. Don't rush into a paid subscription just because it's there. Really evaluate the free version first. See if it meets your basic needs. If you find yourself hitting limitations or craving those premium features, then explore the paid tiers. Remember, the goal is to make your financial life easier, not more complicated or expensive. One final tip, look for any trial periods. PocketGuard, like many other apps, sometimes offers free trials for their premium plans. This is a fantastic opportunity to test out the advanced features before committing to a paid subscription. Take advantage of these trials to get a real feel for the app and see if it truly helps you manage your money more effectively. With said, thanks for watching and until next time.